welcome back to our YouTube channel. Welcome to Caesar's and Mari's World. Today we're gonna unbox the Ryan molecules. Let's get started opening it. Ooh, look at these red.
It's red?
Mm-hmm. And yellow.
Cool.
Oh, I'm gonna break it.
It's okay.
But we won't know what to do.
Okay. Do you need some help? Daddy's stepping in. Thanks, Daddy.
Oh, look.
Whoa.
Oh, I got an instruction. Oh!
That's our Uber Eats.
What? The food is here.
Are you going to make the dinosaur? What does the instruction say? Can we see it? Start with the feet. Alright, so you have to get the red molecules.
That's what I got.
Okay. And look how you have to mold it. Yep.
Just like this.
Mm-hmm.
Now we gotta put the feet here.
You can make one too, babe, because it's two. You need more, see? Tell the kids what you're doing.
We are making a dinosaur.
Guys, so Caesar is working on the foot of the dinosaur and Daddy is working on the head.
We need white for the eyes.
It didn't come with white, did it? Let's see if there's anything else in the box. Let's see. Oh, yep.
Oh!
We do have some white and some black. You didn't take everything out. Show me, I can't see.
Oh,
It was broken. Let's see.
Orange.
oh, I fixed it.
Omari's cranky. But the show must go on, right? See?
Oh, the white is like less sticky.
It is.
It breaks up easily.
Hey guys, if you like this video, please give us a comment below.
And don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Turn on your notification bell so that you are notified when we upload new videos.
Oh man, this is hard. Bruh. We're never gonna eat.
Oh my goodness, I'm starving. Caesar, can we eat and then get back to this?
Come back to this. This is gonna take a long time. The food is cold.
Okay.
And then we'll definitely try to make our best dinosaur out of the molecules, okay? All right, kids, we'll be back.
This is gonna be tough.
Eventually.
Oh, I got some white.
Okay, I'm gonna make his the eggshell that he's in. Or try to. We're not even following the instructions.
Yes, we are. Okay, so. got around
You
white.
want Knuckles from Sonic?
Sonic Boom. And Sonic and I'm talking about in my comic book.
Okay.
You could never get it like that.
I'm gonna do this again when we go back to Walmart. No. Fire! Guys for watching this video, and I hope you subscribe.